Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this gel X set on one of my clients, so let's get started. To start off, I am just going on and filing her nails with a medium grit sanding band and my e-file. All the products that I'm using will be posted down below. I wanted to apologize to you guys because in every video I come on here and I'm like, yeah, new videos will be out every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I have just been having such a hard time getting it together and posting 3 videos a week. Like, I just am not there yet. I'm trying to be there. My goal is to be there. I've been trying to get it together on all my social media, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, whatever it is. I'm trying to get it together and it's just so hard, guys, but please just be patient with me. I promise you I'm going to get it together soon. So today's Wednesday, or tomorrow's Wednesday, it's Tuesday night, and this will be out on Wednesday, hopefully. So enjoy it. I will try and be here again Friday. We'll see. So now I'm going in and I'm just clipping her nails because some of them were kind of long and she wanted them filed down. Some people, I leave them long because they want to grow their nails. That's like their overall goal. But she wanted hers cut down. Usually I would do this before I go in with my sanding band, but for some reason I was backwards today. It just works like that. But now I'm going in and I'm just sizing her nails. In this video I'm using the Apres Natural Medium Square. No, that's a lie. I'm using the Natural Stiletto Long nails, I believe. And she wanted the Coffin look. I find that the Coffin nails don't always work for people. Like, they want them more Coffin, so I always use stiletto and cut them down because it gives like a more tapered Coffin look, I guess, if that makes sense. But yeah, so once I'm done sizing her up, I just sprayed her hands with alcohol and I went in and filed the inside of all of the nails, and now I'm going in with my no lift primer. This is my holy grail. If you've seen my other gel X videos, you guys know that this is the product that I used. No lifting, as long as you prep right. There's no magic prep product, but there are products that if you prep right, they will help the longevity. I almost didn't know how to say that. The longevity of your sets. And so I use the No Lift Primer as well as the OPI Bond Aid. Those two together work really well. I know a lot of people also like to use the No Lift and Young Nails together. You can also use the Apres. You can use whatever you want, whatever works for you. I don't care. But this is what works for me. I use these on all of my enhancements, just gel manicures, gel X, acrylic, whatever it may be. This is what I'm going in with beforehand. I love the products. They work so good. I do 1 coat of the No Lift, 2 coats of the OPI, and that works perfectly for me. So yeah, now I am going to go in and we are going to apply the nails. So I personally like to use the Apres Extend Gel. That works perfectly for me. As you guys can see, I apply a little bit to the natural nail and then I go in the well of the extension. I put a little bit there. I apply the nail onto the finger. I make sure that it is straight and it looks good. And then I move the hand over to my gooseneck UV LED light. This is hands down one of my favorite products. I know if you guys have seen my other gel X videos that this is probably like repetitive because I do the same thing every time and I talk about the same products every time, but I love the gooseneck light. It literally helps so much over those handheld lights. When you see me moving her hand back like in and out of the light, That just means that it got a little hot on that nail or on one of the previous nails, and so that's the way that I make sure that it doesn't burn them. Because if you guys have ever had Gel X or any gel, you know, if you've ever used the UV light, sometimes they can get hot, and for some clients they can be more sensitive than others, and so on some of her nails she was a little bit more sensitive and it was kind of getting hot on her. So that's what I like to do for the clients who I know it's going to get hot. But yeah, so I just go in and I apply all the nails, and then we will move on when I get there. So once I'm done with both hands, I just go in with my big light and I like to cure them for a little bit longer, because I do a flash cure the first time around. So I just put it under the light for like 10 seconds, long enough to get the nail to stay in place. And then you want to fully cure it before you move on to the step. So like I said, I use the long stiletto tips and I cut them down. So this is what you see me doing now, is just cutting them down. And then I go in and I file. This works for me. I've heard, I am on some soft gel extension groups on Facebook and Instagram and stuff, and I've heard that people don't like to file and cut down their nails, which yes is true, because you can mess up the structure of the nail, so the nail may break easier, or I don't know, you may mess up the apex, everything like that. But as long as you're not doing too like any major shaping jobs on the nails, I find that it doesn't hurt to shape the nails. I cut them down, I file and shape them like you see me doing here to get a sharper shape for whatever my client wants. I find that that's needed, and I find that you can use, like for example, I use my medium square nails for my short square nails instead of buying the medium and the short. It just saves you some money. Not like, I just find that to be easier. So I cut down my tips, do as you please. I don't know what the technical answer is because I've never had any issues. My clients' nails still last very long. I also wear a Gel X myself, and I always am reshaping the nails. I've even taken like the natural square nails and made them into short stiletto nails, and I had no issues. So I don't find that to be really a problem. But do as you please. I know there's some people that like, don't file Gel X nails, like leave them as is. Do. I don't really care. I do it. Works for me. Do what you do. So now I'm just going in and I'm fixing any places where there was a little bit of excess gel, and I'm going in and kind of filing over the cuticles. I have yet to figure out the perfect cuticle tool to like blend the cuticles out. I don't do that as good as you should. And I haven't really found any bits that I really like to do it yet. So I will continue to kind of play around with it until I find something that I like, and then I will do it like more seriously. So if you have any tools that you recommend, please put them down below, or like message me on Instagram or something, because I haven't found any that I like. But this is a ceramic cuticle bit, and it works perfectly if you have any gel that seeped on the sides, or if you have excess paint. It does not hurt the natural skin or the natural nail, so if you rub it up against their finger, it's not going to hurt them, and it files down the excess gel and nail polish perfectly. I know that we probably have all been there where we accidentally cure before we cleaned up the nail like we want it to, and so there's like some polish that is kind of on the side and looking a little weird, and you can't take it off with the acetone because it's cured. This works perfectly in those situations. So I would recommend getting this, or getting something similar to this. I wouldn't recommend, well, no, they have metal cuticle tools that I'm sure would work similar to this. I'm such a ceramic bit. I love ceramic bits. Those are my personal favorite. So pretty much every bit you see in here is going to be a ceramic bit because I love them. But now moving on, I'm just going in with my base coat. And then we're gonna go in with our base polish. So this polish is from Lavender Violets. It's a cheaper gel polish you can find on Amazon. It comes in like one of the big kits, kind of like the Beetles or the Model 1s kits do. This one isn't as popular. I haven't seen as many people like raving about it, like how they do Beetles or Model 1s or whatever, but it works perfectly fine. I love the set. I have 4 of them. I think I bought 2 of them twice, so I have 4 of them and I love them. And this is one of the colors that came out of it, so I can't give you a specific name, but it's beautiful. So that's what I'm using on this nail. So I just go in all the nails, paint that 2 coats of that color. And if I accidentally get any excess polish on the skin, then I just go in with another like nail brush and some acetone, and I just clean it up. It works perfectly, so I'd highly recommend that. We're not perfect painters. Don't let anybody fool you and think that they are, even though some people are. I'm not though, personally. I suck at painting nails. Ironically, I can do the art, I suck at actually painting the nail. So yeah, I have to use acetone and a brush to clean it up sometimes, and I have no shame in my game. Okay, so you guys are gonna hate me, but I did not film this part of the video, like of me initially drawing all the girls out. The idea behind these nails was we wanted generic black girls. That's what we wanted. So they have no faces, but they all have different hairstyles, all different skin colors. We even have one that has vitiligo, which is like the different colored like patches of skin. So I used like an actual reference photo, and I accidentally forgot my iPad, so I didn't have anything to reference other than my phone, so I couldn't film. But what you guys see me doing here is basically just going in with the colors and darkening them. If you guys want a tutorial on how I did this, please let me know and I can post another video. I can also do like a TikTok or Instagram on it if you guys want. Super easy. You just basically draw the head and the shoulders and then draw the hairstyle. That's it. But yeah, this set came out so cute. I was so glad that she wanted the set. I want to do it again, so you'll probably see something similar to this very soon because it was so cute. We were in love. But yeah, now you see me going in with a dotting tool and a little brush in this gold polish from Madame Glam, and I'm just adding like gold accents to the little to the ladies. So it's like the jewelry, like the earrings, the jewelry, the necklaces, whatever. But yeah, so cute. And now we're just gonna top coat, and that is it. I know, like, I feel so bad that I couldn't show the actual painting part. I hate it when I had to turn off my camera. Like, I was like really trying to figure out how not to, but I needed my phone for the reference photos because I couldn't think. So yeah, but the set turned out so cute. We were in love. This is actually this client's first time. This is actually my aunt. I don't know why I'm calling, well, she is my client, but this is my aunt. This was her first set with me, and I think she was like really happy with it. So yeah, it was cool. But now I'm going in with some cuticle oil and some lotion, which you guys see me, I do like little hand massages. We learned to do that in nail school. I don't think most techs do that, but I like to for the sake of the video. But yeah, this is the final set. Like I said, it was so cute. But yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in the future for more videos, hopefully Friday. But follow me on all my social media at SnappedBySydd, and I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.